Okay, children, this is our sign. Period. Arslan, you can join. Okay, but he will not do it to hear me. Okay. Someone's mic is switched on. Please switch it off. I'm sending the link to Arslan. So just give me a minute, please. Check again. Okay. Page 24. Yesterday we had done the complete the words, right? That was the bird, tree, cap, and shoe. Now in this picture, bird is a living thing, tree is a living thing. These two things are made by God. So these are living things. And the cap and the shoe is a non-living thing. It is made by man. कैप और शू जो है वो नॉन लिविंग थिंग है, वो मैन मेड थिंग है, उसको ह्यूमन बीइंग ने, इंसान ने बनाया है. Now in this chapter we will learn about two things. One is man-made things and natural things. Man-made यानी कि जो इंसान ने बनाई है, ह्यूमन बीइंग ने बनाई है, and natural things which are made by nature or are made by God. And second, we will learn about living things and non-living things. Living things जो जिंदा हैं, जो जीवित हैं, and non-living things जो जिंदा नहीं हैं, जिनमें जान नहीं है. So let us see. निष्कर्ष बेटा, pay attention. I know you are not well, but थोड़ा सा attention pay करो, so that you are able to follow what I am teaching. We see many things around us. हम लोग अपने आसपास, अपने इर्द गिर्द बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखते हैं. अभी भी अगर अपने कमरे में नज़र दौड़ाओगे so you will see a lot of things in your room, like the fan, the table, the chair, the bed, the pencil that you are holding, the book that you have in your hand. You will also see your mother, maybe your father, your sister, your brother. Okay? Some of these things that we see around us are made by man. बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हम अपने इर्द गिर्द देखते हैं, दे आर मेड बाय मैन. ये चीज़ें जो हैं वो मतलब कि ह्यूमन बीइंग की बनाई हुई ये चीज़ें होती हैं. सम अकर नेचुरली, अकर का मतलब होना. सम अकर नेचुरली, कुछ जो है अपने आप से होती हैं, यानी कि नेचर में होती हैं, नेचुरली होती हैं, भगवान ने बनाई हुई होती हैं. Let us learn about them. Now let us learn about these things. There is something wrong with my camera, children. It gets turned off itself. अपने आप से कैमरा बंद हो जाएगा मेरा. Anyway, but your camera should be switched on. I'm trying to keep my camera switched on, but it is not, can't be helped. Let us read about man-made and natural things. Let us read about man-made and natural things. Things that are made by man are known as man-made things. जैसा कि अक्षय गुप्ता, please stop yawning. And if you are yawning, please put a hand on your mouth like this and say, excuse me. Man-made and natural things, things that are made by man are known as man-made things. जो इंसान की बनाई हुई चीज़ें होती हैं, जो ह्यूमन बीइंग की बनाई हुई चीज़ें होती हैं, जो मैन ने बनाई होती हैं या वुमन ने बनाई होती हैं, दे आर नोन एज मैन मेड थिंग्स. इन चीज़ों को बोलते हैं मैन मेड थिंग्स. द बुक यू रीड, नाम जिस बुक से तुम पढ़ रहे हो. द पेंसिल यू राइट विथ, जिस पेंसिल से तुम लिख रहे होते हो.
कुछ नहीं करो, देखो मैं क्या करवा रही हूँ.
Myra, why do I have to tell you again and again to keep your mics switched off? Okay. Where was I? See, children, when you disturb, I lose track. The pencil you write with, the bag in which you carry your books. जिस बैग में आप अपनी बुक्स रखते हैं, अगर स्कूल आ रहे होते तो लेके आ रहे होते. Cars and many other things are made by man. बैग है, तुम्हारा बुक है, तुम्हारी पेंसिल है. The house you live in, the car or the scooter or the cycle that you have, that is also man-made thing. It's made by human. इंसान द्वारा बनाई गई हुई है. Things that are not made by man are known as natural things. ना जो चीज़ें इंसान ने नहीं बनाई हैं, पहले से ही नेचर में प्रेजेंट थी. तस्मिया, because you are fidgeting, I am getting distracted. Please pay attention instead of playing with your mobile. Parents, you are requested, if you have downloaded the backgrounds, please make sure that your child is not playing with the background. At all times, there should be only one background so that others don't get distracted. Tasmia, switch on your camera. Okay. Things that are not made by man are known as natural things. They are already present in the nature. They have already been made by God or a supreme power. They are already present in nature. Mountains, rocks, rivers, clouds, and many other things occur naturally. Now the mountains, the clouds, rocks, river, water, trees, birds, flowers, everything, all this is present in nature, and this is made by nature, by a supreme power or by God. Turn the page, children. Turn the page. लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग. जैसा कि नाम से पता चल रहा है, लिविंग मीन्स जो जिंदा है, एंड नॉन लिविंग जो जिंदा नहीं है, जिसमें प्राण नहीं है, जिसमें जान नहीं है, जिसमें लाइफ नहीं है. राइट? सो यू ऑलरेडी रेड अबाउट मैनी नेचुरल थिंग्स. एकाग्र पे अटेंशन. अभी हमने तुमको नेचुरल थिंग्स के बारे में बताया था. दे कैन बी लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग. इवन द नेचुरल थिंग्स दैट आर प्रेजेंट इन नेचर में जो नेचुरल थिंग्स प्रेजेंट हैं, जो सुप्रीम पावर की बनाई हुई हैं, जो नेचर की बनाई हुई हैं, वो भी लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग हो सकती हैं. नाउ दे कैन बी लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग. लिविंग थिंग्स आर दोज दैट नीड फूड. नाउ लिविंग थिंग्स जो हैं, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़, लिविंग थिंग्स नीड फूड टू ईट एंड ग्रो. लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो, लिविंग थिंग्स ब्रीथ, सांस लेती हैं. लिविंग थिंग्स फील, वो चोट या टच महसूस कर सकती हैं. एंड दे प्रोड्यूस बेबीज, एंड लिविंग थिंग्स के बेबीज होते हैं. दे कैन मूव ऑन देयर ओन. अक्षय, यू आर नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन. माई कैमरा इज ऑफ बिकॉज ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम, बट आई कैन सी यू ऑल. Akshay Gupta. Please pay attention. Animals and plants are living things. Animals and plants are living things. Non-living things are those that do not need food. Now, जिन चीज़ों को खाना खाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, जो ग्रो नहीं करते हैं, जो ब्रीथ नहीं करते हैं, जो फील नहीं करते हैं और जो बेबीज़ प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकते हैं, दे आर नोन एज नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, यानी कि उनमें लाइफ नहीं है, दे डोंट हैव लाइफ. They cannot move from one place to another on their own. Non-living things जो हैं वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह अपने आप नहीं घूम सकते. Okay, now I'm going to ask you some questions. When I take your name, you will switch on your mic and then you will tell me. Saida, switch on your mic, please. Okay, Saida, fan living thing है, non-living thing है? You don't have to look at the book. Saida, it is not given in the book. Saida, fan is a living thing or a non-living thing?
Non-living thing.
Okay. It's a man-made thing or a natural thing?
Man-made things.
Okay. But are you taking help from your mummy, Saida? बेटा मम्मी स्कूल में जब आप पढ़ोगे ना तो मम्मी हेल्प करने नहीं आ पाएंगी. ओके ओके, स्विच ऑफ योर माइक साइदा. आद्या,
Yes, ma'am.
आद्या, plant is a man-made thing or a natural thing?
Natural thing, ma'am.
Okay, and it is a living thing or a non-living thing?
Living thing, ma'am.
Very good. But किसने हेल्प किया है आद्या तुमको? Don't take help from anyone. Child, don't take help from anyone. Okay. Shayan.
Ma'am.
Shayan, car is a man-made thing or a natural thing?
Natural thing.
कार, बेटा सोचो, कार is a man-made thing or a natural thing?
Natural thing.
बेटा नेचुरल थिंग वो होती है जो पहले से प्रेजेंट होती है. कार जो है वो नेचुरल थिंग नहीं है शायद. कार जो है वो ह्यूमन बीइंग बनाता है, तो इट इज़ अ मैन मेड थिंग, उसको मैन बनाता है. ओके ओके शायद कार इज अ लिविंग थिंग और अ नॉट लिविंग थिंग? क्यों शायद कार लिविंग थिंग है कि नॉन लिविंग थिंग? वेरी गुड, इट्स अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग, क्योंकि ना तो वो बड़ी होती है, ना वो खाना खाती है, ना वो फील करती है. गुड. Achin, horse is a natural thing or a man-made thing?
Natural thing.
Okay, it's a living thing or a non-living thing?
Living thing.
Very good, Achinta, very good. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
Sukhnur,
Yes, ma'am.
table is a Man-made thing or a natural thing?
Man-made thing.
Man-made thing. It's a living thing or a non-living thing?
Living thing. Non-living thing.
Non-living thing, yes. एकाग्र. Lion is a man-made thing or a natural thing?
Non-natural thing.
Living thing or non-living thing?
Non-living thing.
Very good, very good. Vidushi. Vidushi Thakur. Yes, Vidushi. Vidushi, bed is a man-made thing or a natural thing?
Man-made thing.
It's a living thing or a non-living thing?
Non-living thing.
Very good. Laiba. Baby. Yes, Laiba. Laiba, baby is a natural thing or a man-made thing?
Natural thing.
Okay, it's a living thing or a non-living thing?
Living thing.
Good, very good. So children, you have all understood what a living thing is, what a non-living thing is, what a natural thing is, and what a man-made thing is. So now turn back to page 24. Page 24, I will read the chapter and you will please pay attention. Put your finger on the line that I am reading. Put your finger on the line that I am reading. Things around us. Look at these pictures carefully. Complete the names of things shown in the picture. We have already done this. Bird, tree, cap, shoe. We see many things around us. Some of these things are made by man. Some occur naturally. Let us learn about them. Man-made and natural things. Things that are made by man are known as man-made things. The book you read, the pencil you write with, the bag in which you carry your books, houses, cars, and many other things are made by man. Things that are not made by man are known as natural things. They are already present in nature. Mountains, rocks, rivers, clouds, and many other things occur naturally. Living and non-living things. You already read about many natural things. They can be living or non-living. Living things are those that need food. They grow, breathe, feel and produce babies. They can move on their own. Animals, plants and humans are living things. Living things move, living things produce babies, living things grow. Non-living things are those that do not need food. They do not grow, breathe, feel, or produce babies. They cannot move from one place to another on their own. Chair, bed, television, table are all non-living things. Children, turn back to page 24. Page 24. Okay. Sit straight, all of you. I'm going to take your attendance first. Adya Verma,
Present, ma'am.
Achin, Achin, he was here just now. Okay. Adyan is absent. Advait,
Present, ma'am.
Akshat, Akshat,
Ma'am is keeper my name.
Akshay,
Present, ma'am.
Akshita,
Present, ma'am.
Arna, Arna Raj, Arsalan,
Ma'am.
Ayansh,
Present, ma'am.
Devansh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Devansh, Ekagr,
Present, ma'am.
Fazilat, Hanifa,
Present, ma'am.
Hashvi, Hashvi,
Present, ma'am.
Havira, Ishanvi,
Present, ma'am.
Jennifer, Laiba,
Present, ma'am.
Lavik, Myra Fatma,
Present, ma'am.
Abdullah, Yasir Faisal, Hussein, Ismail Warsi, Izan Siddiqui, Myra Tandon, Myra Tandon, Nabiha, Naima Khan, Nishkar, Saida,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Shayan,
Present, ma'am.
Suknoor,
Present, ma'am.
Swastik, Tasmia,
Present, ma'am.
Varonika,
Present, ma'am.
Vidushi,
Present, ma'am.
Viraj,
Present, ma'am.
Yashwardhan, Yatharth, Yatharth, Okay, children. You can leave the class and we will meet again after 15 minutes for the social studies.